In this video, you'll learn how to scale images loaded to WordPress. This process will help you adjust the size of your images to ensure they fit perfectly within your website's design and enhance loading times. First, navigate to the WordPress.com site. You can do this by typing WordPress.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites in the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on this option to proceed. After this, you will see a list of sites you have created. Identify the specific site where you want to scale the images. Click on the name of that site to enter its dashboard. This action directs you to the site management interface where further options are available. Once you are on the site dashboard, locate and click on the button labeled Close. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking, the editing interface will be closed, taking you back to the main site management view. Next, find and click on the plus icon. This icon is usually located in the area where you can add new content or features to your site. After you click this icon, a menu will appear presenting various options for adding elements to your site. Following this, click on the option labeled Search within the menu that appears. This will allow you to search for specific elements to add to your site. A search bar should now be visible for you to now type in the word gallery into the search bar. This action will filter the options to show you only the relevant results related to galleries. Once you see the gallery option, click on it to select it. After selecting the gallery, proceed by clicking on the option that says Select an image. This action will prompt the media library to open, allowing you to choose images from your existing uploads. In the media library, find and click on the image you wish to scale. This will bring up the editing options for that specific image. Ensure you select the correct image to avoid any confusion later. Once the image is selected, look for the button labeled Edit and click on it. This will direct you to the image editing interface where you can make necessary adjustments. At this stage, locate and click on the option that says Scale. This option will enable you to change the dimensions of the image to fit your requirements. Now, set the scale you want for the image. You can adjust the width and height as needed. Ensure that the new dimensions maintain the image's aspect ratio to prevent distortion. Once you have set your desired scale, click on the button labeled Scale to apply the changes. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the scaling process is underway. After scaling, click on the option labeled Apply Crop. This step finalizes the changes you have made to the image. A loading indicator may appear as the adjustments are processed. You have now successfully scaled an image within your WordPress site. This process not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also contributes to optimal loading performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.